Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 746. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. Definitely check out the tutorial videos, the experiments on the channel if you want to learn more. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. This is my first time looking at Bitcoin today. Wow, 54,000. Normally I check it when I wake up in the morning, but I haven't even looked. So we're up 4% today, and you guys can see when 4% change happens now, we're talking thousands of dollars in difference. Crazy stuff. Up 13% on the week, up 55% on the month, and 459% on the year. My balance is currently $4,618. Let's scroll down here, take a look at the news. Bitcoin's market cap crosses 1 trillion. That's a big deal. I think it's now about 1/10 of the gold market cap. So just gonna keep chipping away at that. It's just more usable in every way than some shiny rock that we obtain from the earth, regardless of what Peter Schiff says. So Bitcoin owned 0.08510,718. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, confirm. Just like that, we've purchased more Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and scroll down, take a look at our balance. Bitcoin owned 0.08512,503. Slowly building our balance. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,632. 4,632 divided by 746 days equals a 6.2x on our investment. That's crazy. So what this means is for every dollar that we've put into this experiment, now have $6.20. Crazy times. I think this is just the beginning, guys. If you haven't started converting your US dollars, it's not too late. We're only 10 years into Bitcoin, even less into some of these altcoins. So start paying attention. I watched a long talk about NFTs yesterday, non-fungible tokens. I think we're in the very early stages. They're very clunky, but in the future, they're going to be a crazy usable technology. It's basically a token on a blockchain. You can include media, files, data, other tokens, liquidity. So you can attach all of this stuff to a token and then put that token on a marketplace. Anybody can create them. They can make them as rare as unrare as they want. It's the very early stages of that. So that's something I'm going to start looking into as well. But that's all for today's video. We're going to keep dollar cost averaging up over 5% for the day now. Let's keep converting these US dollars every day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.